Hi everyone, I'm Reda Kane. Today I'm gonna show you my process for creating a digital oil painting. I usually start in Procreate, where I make a quick sketch or write down ideas just like the one you see in this video. Then I bring the PSD file onto my PC to do the rest of the work. For brushes, I use my digital oil painting brushes by Martina Plazisi and Kao Special Effects brushes. You can find them easily on Google and they're free. The first step is to block in the main line and shadow shapes. Many people stop here because their drawing doesn't look like accurate and they keep fixing it. But please don't be worried, just keep going. We can use Liquify later to make adjustments. Here I use Smudge tool in Photoshop to blend a black and white sketch. This creates an effect similar to ambient occlusion, which is a term in 3D that means simulating how light's getting blocked in small cracks and corners to make the form look more solid. When you're painting, you don't always need to use black and white. You can also try other colors, like in this oil painting by Ben Louis Noir. The main point is to show volume. Just avoid using colors that are too dark so it's easier to adjust later. Now let's play the layer on top and set the blending mode to multiply. Then we create new layers beneath and fill in the base color for each area. And bang! The poetry already has a shape. At this point, I group the layers and make a backup. Next is the rendering stage. I usually split the layer into 3 groups. Foreground, like the hair, midground, the figure, and background, the white backdrop. I add details step by step, keep the overall progress balanced. When the painting is about 80% down, I focus on polishing the face and stop adding details to other parts, so the face becomes the focal point. Alright, now let's enjoy the time lapse of the rendering. This is when I really get into the flow. And that's my whole digital oil painting progress. If you like this video, please subscribe and follow me. Thanks for watching.